morning, class 9. Today I am before you to discuss a very important topic that is related to the outbreak of the French Revolution. You all know that it was a very important event in the last decade of the 18th century. This revolution occurred, sprang all of a sudden in 1789, and this revolution started at the time of Louis XVI. So it is natural, and this personality Louis XVI has become a matter of debate and discussion, that how this bloody revolution started, erupted, occurred during this period. He was surely and certainly incapable ruler, incapable emperor, not competent ruler. But this is not the real fact, and I am also not in favor of giving responsibility of the beginning of this revolution on him. On this topic, many opinion has come, and maximum historians of European history has not blindly accepted the responsibility of Louis XVI as a responsible person for the beginning of this revolution. No. It is true that he was an inexperienced ruler. He was very young at the time of coronation. He was 18 years old, but it is not the real fact that he was responsible for the beginning of this revolution. Actually, the situation had been created by his predecessors like Louis XIV, XV. They had created it, and it has been also accepted by many historians that this revolution sprang with the combination of two factors. First was the fermentation of events, fermentation of grievances that was from very beginning, that had emerged or germinated at the time of Louis XV. So it was not his creation. So, but this revolution occurred during his time, so it has become a matter of discussion and debate, and we generally start thinking that this young emperor was the creator, but this is not the real fact. He was a very competent person. I am also supporter of this very thing. Many historians have accepted it that he was a very kind ruler, kind-hearted, amicable person. He was liked by the French people. So how he created, or how he ever thought for the creation and for the beginning of such bloody revolution? No, he was never in search of. One more example I want to mention here, that is related to the character and the ability of Louis XVI. Louis XVI was, at the statement of Louis XVI, he told at the time of coronation, when the responsibility, he was being the ruler, he got the opportunity to rule France as the ruler after the death of Louis XV. He told that it seems that universe is falling on me. It seems that universe is falling on me, God. What a responsibility is mine, and you have taught me nothing. If he was an inexperienced ruler, so how he thought such type of thing, that a very big and vast responsibility is coming on my head? He was really a capable person. He was really a meritorious ruler, no doubt. So the responsibility cannot be 100% thrown. In my opinion, he was very little responsibility can be given. That revolution occurred during his times, so he may be responsible for the time being, but the actual creation or actual creator were his predecessors, not Louis XVI himself. This question is generally asked about the responsibility in the beginning of the outbreak of the French Revolution. So this is a very important topic, very important question for you, and you must lay stress on this very thing to complete it If such type of question is before you, you have to prove it with your argument that he was an innocent ruler, and whatever happened, whatever occurred in the form of revolution, that was not his creation, it was the creation of his predecessors. Okay, thanks.